So today I wanted to show you guys a crucial feature of getting acclimated to your new BMW, which is the pairing of the digital key. Now, to complete this process, we need to have an account logged into the car, and we need to have both keys within the vehicle. So if you want to get up in close here and see that we are in the app, and now we're going to hit Setup Digital Key. We're going to have to go through some confirmation steps. Yes, we have both keys in the car. We're going to say, yes, we are ready to start pairing. Now this is going to put our a copy of the key within our Apple Wallet. So just like an NFC reader, tap to pay, you're going to hold your phone up to the door handle to unlock it and lock the car, and then place the phone in the charging tray to start the car. And you can do this without any key fobs in the car. So we're going to continue here. Now it's going to ask us to put the phone in the charging tray. So typically what happens is it starts pretty quick. You can see that progress bar is going down, and we are activating the main key. Sometimes this can take a moment, so we'll fast forward a little bit. Nope, we are all set. Now on the phone, it's going to give us some options on either watching a little tutorial on how to use the system, or we can just skip. And now let's head out to the exterior of the car and we can show you how the function works. So now we're on the exterior of the car, and we just take our phone, whether locked or unlocked, and we just hold it up to the door handle, and we're good to go. One of the important features is making sure that this key is recognized as being linked to your driver profile, because the key that unlocks the car registers the driver profile in the car. So our last step is going to be to go back inside and make sure that this phone is linked to our driver profile. So to make sure that the digital key on our phone is linked to our driver profile, first we're going to go to our menu here. Then we're going to go to Doors and Windows. We're going to select Digital Key, and it automatically logged us in. So the main key is Bose Mini 12, and our digital key card is also active. So we can use up to 4 keys now to unlock and start the vehicle. Now, if you have an Apple Watch or you'd like to share your device access with someone else, you can share up to 5 keys to friends or family with limited access. So if you wanted to let someone in the car but not let them drive it, you could share that from your Apple Wallet. This is a really good feature that BMW is giving us, and I'm glad that they're making it work for so many people.